Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this delicious vegan chocolate cake. First, I've preheated my oven to 180 Celsius and I've lined and greased 2 baking tins. So I've just measured out and I'm going to sift 188 grams of all-purpose flour. With the plain flour, I'm also sifting 43 grams of unsweetened organic cacao powder. Any lumps and I'll just push those through with a spoon. Then I add 200 grams of granulated sugar. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, now I spend a few minutes giving the dry ingredients a really good mix. Now that's all combined, I'll set that to one side for a minute. For the egg replacement, I'll be using ground flaxseed. To 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed, I'll mix 3 tablespoons of hot water. I'll just stir in the hot water and leave that to sit for a few minutes. So in this jug I've measured 240 millilitres of plant milk. To that I'll add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now I'll pour in 80 millilitres of vegetable oil. Next I'll add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Next I'll add the egg replacement flaxseed mixture. Then give that all a really good stir. I'll grab the dry ingredients and stir in the wet concoction. I want it stirred up properly, of course, but I don't want to over mix. Once the batter's smooth, I transfer between my 2 baking tins. Try to get even amounts in both tins and I'll bake for 20 to 30 minutes at 180 Celsius. After 20 minutes they're all done. I'll allow them to cool down for 10 minutes or so before transferring them to a cooling rack. They're not cold yet but have cooled down considerably, and I'm just going round gently with a knife to loosen them. For my butter icing, I'm using 340 grams of icing sugar or powdered sugar, and to that I'm adding 3 tablespoons of dairy-free butter. I'll also add 4 tablespoons of cacao powder. Then I'll add a tablespoon of vanilla extract and pour in some plant milk, enough to make a smooth paste. Then I use a whisk to blend everything together, and I add more milk, small amounts at a time, until I get the consistency I want. This for me is the perfect consistency. Now that the cakes are cold, I'm just going to spread my icing all over. So I just want my icing thick enough so that it doesn't run off the cake, but not so thick that it's too hard to spread. This is the first time I've ever made a vegan cake, and before today I'd never even eaten a vegan cake. I'm pretty happy with how it's turned out, soft, light and moist. So there it is, my first vegan cake. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more delicious recipes like this. Take good care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one.